Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. So this video is for the students of class 9, subject science, chapter number 3, that is atoms and molecules. And students, in this video, I would be taking the solutions of Pretext Assignment 1. Okay? Students, before starting the solutions of Pretext Assignment 1, I would like to discuss a few important points related to calculations. Suppose 10 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 10 raised to the power minus 4 is there in your calculation part. So how to solve? Actually, this is a law of exponent. In this law, you have studied that when the bases are same and the powers, they are different and the sign, the operation is of division. So, the powers, these powers, they get subtracted. Okay, because operation is division. So just subtract these powers. That you will get 10 raised to the power 2. Clear? And if they are in multiplication, okay, the bases are same, the powers are different and the operation is of multiplication. So what happens? These powers, they get added. Okay. So minus 2 plus add this power minus 4. So that will be equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 plus minus 4. That will be 10 raised to the power minus 6. Clear? So these are the few things you should keep in mind before solving these type of questions. Okay? So these are the answers of your questions. Question number 1. Answer is 100 balls. This is question number 2. The answer is 9600 grams. This was your question number 3. And the solution is this. The answer is 0.83 into 10 raised to the power 7. You see here? The sign is of division. So the powers, they will get subtracted. Okay. This is question number 4 and its solution. The answer is 3.3 grams. Okay. This is question number 5th. Solution. Here the answer is 58.512 into 10 raised to the power 45. Okay. If you shift this decimal, the powers, it will get changed. Okay, students. Now moving ahead to our next question, that is question number 6. The answer is 0.09 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 grams. Because the answer is asked in grams. So answer we have to write in grams. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. The answer is 232,000 into 10 raised to the power 3 grains. Because it is asked how many grains. So answer will come grains. Okay students. Moving ahead to question number 8. The solution is this. And the answer to question number 8 is 27 into 10 raised to the power 10 kg. Clear students? Because mass is asked. So answer will come in kg. Because we are taking the mass of the person in kg. So answer will also be in kg, not in grams. Next question, question number 9. This is the solution. And the answer is 6.024 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Because the answer is asked in particles. Find out number of particles. So this much number of particles is present. Okay students? These questions are really very easy. You just need to apply your brain and just simplify it. Substitute in the formula. And the last question, question number 10th. This is the solution of question number 10th. And the answer to this question is 60.24 into 10 raised to power 3 bundles of particles. Okay. So these are the answers of the Pretext Assignment 1 of chapter number 3, containing total number of 10 questions. Okay students. So this was all about the solutions. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.